Hey, what's happening? It's your boy High Life. I'm trying to bring you on the High Life with me, and we're going to this journey together. Alright, so let's get into this video. Alright, so today we got an article based on the Earth's magnetic fields on how NASA is found a dent in it. So yeah, let's check out this article. We're gonna go through. So basically, this is the article. As you can see, NASA's research tracks slowly split dent in Earth's magnetic fields. This article is basically talking about what we're gonna see in this video on how there's dent in South America and the Atlantic Ocean, the southern parts of it, and how this could mess with the geographics and the future of life, which basically is going into the Aquarian ages. Alright, so let's get into this video.
Above South America, a weak spot in Earth's magnetic field is evolving. Called the South Atlantic Anomaly, this unique region has been expanding for more than a decade, and scientists believe that it's beginning to split into two distinct zones. Now, while this anomaly poses little risk to life here on Earth, it does allow scientists to study the complicated mechanisms behind Earth's magnetism.
Talks about the environmental stuff. That's the
around 1,800 miles below the surface. Dynamic processes in Earth's liquid iron outer core are continuously generating electrical currents. This accounts for the majority of Earth's magnetic field. But unlike a typical bar magnet with one north and south pole, Earth's magnetism isn't all neat and tidy. If we take a look below the anomaly at the boundaries separating the core and the mantle, we can see the magnetic variations are much stronger. This picture provides a clear link between the anomaly we see in Earth's magnetosphere, its origins deep within Earth's interior, and how it's projected to evolve in the near future. This is important to understand because our planet's magnetic field plays a huge role in shaping the near-Earth environment. In addition to guiding compasses and animal migrations, the magnetic field acts like a shield, repelling charged particles flung from the sun that could be disruptive if they reach the surface. Many of the particles that do slip inside Earth's protective bubble become trapped in large rings of energetic particles called the Van Allen belts, which are held in place by Earth's magnetic field. The inner edge of the innermost belt is about 400 miles from the surface of the Earth at the equator, which keeps particle radiation a safe distance from Earth and orbiting satellites. But because of the offset between Earth's magnetic and rotational poles, and the weakened magnetic field over the South Atlantic anomaly, some energetic particles within the belts do penetrate closer to the Earth's surface. This means that NASA and other space agencies need to account for the extra radiation when low-orbit satellites pass through the anomaly. Currently, NASA researchers are using data from satellites along with theoretical models to track the evolution of the South Atlantic anomaly and help prepare for future challenges to managing satellites and humans in space.
Alright, let's get into it. We're gonna be looking up the Aquarian ages. This is the Aquarian ages. The timeline, however, is not on track by the time it ends, So let's get a deeper look into this. We're going into Pisces, which we are in Aquarius. We're going into the Aquarian ages. It's going to start the 11th month of 2019. It's going to last for 2,500 years, 25,000 years, somewhere around there. But we're moving into Aquarius, transferring from Pisces into Aquarius, into Gemini. Alright, so basically that's gonna happen for 20 to 2,500 years. And each zodiac sign is at a 35-degree angle, and a whole bunch of other stuff. But this is a transfer into the fifth dimension, so that's why y'all should be taking care of yourself. but there's really not too much to say. Thank you for joining me on this video. Appreciate it. And then join me on this higher life where I'm trying to get you on this higher vibration with me.
I just be chasing these passos. Told her I ain't trying to fuck now. She said I still give you head though. So we went to go get a bottle. Ooh, she said she ride a Moscato. Drilling, I'm all in her mouth with it. I bust a nut and she swallowed. Put you out.